Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you the copy class and mass class copy features in ClassJuggler. These features can save you hours of work when you need to create new classes quickly for your upcoming sessions by using existing classes. ClassJuggler provides a simple method for making a quick copy of a single class or multiple classes. Copying a class will include all aspects of the copied class, including core class information, class schedule, instructors, tuition rates, optional fees, skills, and even prior student enrollments, although student enrollment is optional. It does not, however, copy the attendance or other records associated with an active class. If you need to copy the student enrollments with the class, keep in mind that no tuition charges are created at the time the new copied enrollment records are generated. You will need to run a post-tuition billing cycle in the appropriate month to generate all new charges for copied students in the new class. Let's look at an example of how the copy class feature works. I'll first select classes from the blue main menu. Currently, my class list is only showing all my classes for the summer 2019 session. I want to change my settings and clear out the session box. And then I'll save my display settings. And now that I've changed my settings, I can see all the classes that I could copy. The class you wish to copy can be of any status: active, in progress, inactive, canceled, or expired. I'm going to copy the hip hop dance class on row 50. So I'm going to hit my next 20 and hit it one more time. And then on row 50, here's my hip hop class that I want to copy. So to copy this class, I just want to highlight the class and click on the class. Then I want to click the Copy Class purple action button in step 1 of the class maintenance page. The Copy Class pop-up window is going to open, showing the original class information in the first section. In the initial Copy Class pop-up, you have some limited options for changing information and what to copy for the new class. You can change the name, the description, the begin and end dates, and choose whether or not to copy enrollees for the new class. So I'm going to set the new class dates September 3rd, 2019 through October 22nd of 2019, and I'm going to copy all active student enrollment. So I'm going to click this little Copy All Active Student Enrollment box, and then I am going to use today's date as the enrollment date, and then I'm going to save. So once a class is copied, you'll be brought to the class maintenance screen for the new class that was created. All new copied classes start out in an inactive status. Before activating the class, you can make all other changes such as pricing, classroom, or schedule changes. The final step for your new class is to offer the class for enrollment. So just click the Offer Class. Okay, it detects an error. It can't be offered at this time because it has some conflicts. So I am going to just unclick any conflicts for this demo and then try to offer the class again. And now it is accepted and it is now an active class. So next, let's look at the Mass Class Copy feature of ClassJuggler. The Mass Class Copy tool allows you to select multiple classes of any status to create new inactive classes. This is particularly handy if you regularly repeat classes each session, season, or year. You can copy an entire session in a few easy steps. Let's go to Tools from the blue main menu, then click on Mass Class Copy from the purple sidebar menu. The first step is to click on Select Classes and choose all the classes you want to copy. This screen works much like the List Classes screen, allowing you to search, sort, and filter the class listing to show only the classes you're interested in. You can then click anywhere on a class row to checkmark that row. You could also use the Check All On page to quickly select all of the classes on the screen, or you can check None on Page to clear out all the checkboxes for classes on the page. For this demo, I will copy some of my 2019-2020 session classes to add as company classes. To make it easy to find these classes, I'm going to enter my 2019-2020 session. So I've entered my session in my session group box, and in the show box, I'm going to put all. And then when I refresh, I can see all the classes that I can copy. For this demo, I'm just going to select all of my ballet classes. After I've selected all of the classes that I want, I click the Select and Return button to take me back to the main Mass Class Copy screen. And there are the 4 classes that I've chosen to copy. All right, each class is represented by 2 rows. The first row is the original class information. So that is all your original class information. And the second row contains the fields that you can customize for the new class you will be creating. In the second step, you will typically change the begin and end dates of the new classes. You can also change class names, descriptions, no date indicator, and session and group. You can also use the handy Set All buttons at the top of the screen. So you can have a begin date and set all, an end date set all, and a session and group and set all. So for this demo, I'm put a new begin date in. I'm going to put in September 9th for my begin date, and then I'm going to click on the set all, and I'm going to say OK. And for my end date, I want to put in May 29th, 2020, and again click set all. And then for my session and group, I want to put in the 2019-2020 company and set all. I also want to add the title of company to each of these classes to distinguish it from my regular classes. So I'm just going to add the word company to each class at this time, and then I can go back later to adjust the title further. Okay, so I've added the word company to each of my names, and I can also go back later and adjust the schedule, the instructor time, and room changes. So finally, I just need to click on the Copy All Selected Classes to begin the copy process. So I'm going to click on that action button, and it's going to ask me if I'm sure I want to copy all the selected classes with the changes that were made. I'm going to click OK. Then you see a progress bar, which has already said class copy is complete. And then you can proceed to the class list, and we can look at our inactive classes and refresh. So today I've shown you how to copy a single class and how to copy multiple classes with the Copy Class and Mass Class copy tools in ClassJuggler.